Hi guys, this is Katie and today I'm going to talk to you about 10 ways that you can earn extra money online for your travels. Number one, TEFL teaching. So if you are a native English speaker, you can become a TEFL teacher. Now you will need some type of TEFL qualification for this. You can jump online. Websites like Groupon have some really great deals on cheap, affordable online courses where you can learn how to teach English online as well. Now once you have this qualification, which by the way shouldn't take you too long, I think the courses are generally between 120 to 160 hours. But if you're doing this part-time, like if you spend a few hours every evening doing it, you'll probably get it done in like 2 or 3 weeks. It's not a long qualification at all, you can get it done quite quickly. But once you get this qualification, you can apply for companies online such as iTutor, Dada, VIP Kids. There are lots and lots of amazing companies that you can work with, so I will leave all the relevant links in the description below. Next up, user testing. Now this is a way that you can earn extra cash online by reviewing websites. You can sign up an account at usertesting.com and it will send you an email every time there's a test that you can do. You basically go onto a website, you're given a scenario and you have to explain your thought process as you're using a website. It doesn't take long, generally probably like 10 to 15 minutes, but you have to be able to have a microphone or some type of mic in your laptop that will pick up your talking so you can explain how you're feeling about looking at a website, giving feedback about where the buttons are and whether you like the feel of it or not. Those types of things. It's a really easy way to make a little bit of extra cash, especially when you're traveling and you want something to give you an extra boost so that you can get to that next place. Number 3, matched betting. Now this is a great option if you are interested in sports, especially if you've done any online gambling before. It's a system that involves the sports exchange and you placing more than one bet to minimize risk and to make sure that any losses are covered. We did a full blog post explaining this over at Creative Travel Guide, so make sure you go and check that out if you're interested. We definitely recommend Profit Accumulator as a great website to start off with. There's some really good advice and tips on there that explains how you can get started with match betting. Now my next option is online surveys. Now this is one of those slow jobs, so you are not going to earn loads of money really quickly doing online surveys, but if you have got plenty of time in your hands and you want to earn a bit of extra cash, there's some really great websites where you can go on, answer different types of surveys about anything. It could be about electricity, it could be about your local supermarket, it could be about what brands you use, but there's lots of different surveys out there that you will earn a few pennies for every time you do them, and if you keep doing them, that money really does add up. Another option is online market trading. Now there's some really good websites that explain how to do this as well. eToro is probably one of the most popular ones. I am not a stock market expert at all, but there are ways that you can earn money by using the stock markets online. It is going to take some investment of your own money, but once you learn the skills, you should be able to earn quite a bit of money using this. Plus you can use it from anywhere in the world. You can get an app for your phone to help you use it and everything like that, so you can travel whilst you're doing it. Next up is the Get Paid To sites. Now I call them these because there are lots of sites that you get paid doing certain activities. It might be that you earn a few pounds if you sign up to a subscription of Netflix. It might be that you earn a few pennies by getting a SIM card from Vodafone. There are lots of websites out there, like Swagbucks is a really great example of that, where you have surveys on there, but there's also like competitions, there's things that you need to sign up for, there's lots of different tasks that you can do that are really simple, easy tasks that you can start earning money from. Now again, like online surveys, you're not going to earn loads of money straight away, but if you keep at it, that money will build up and it's a really easy thing to start off with. Now my next option is one that's very personal to me, is blogging. So we absolutely recommend blogging as a way of an extra income or to work online whilst you're traveling. My next option is QMe. Now QMe is a company that will pay you when you are doing searches on Google, Yahoo or Bing. You just have to download the QMe extension on your browser and it will pay you every time you're searching things. Next up is write and publish your own product. So this could be an ebook, this could be a course, but if you have some really great knowledge about something that you think people are looking for, you can jump onto websites like Udemy and sell your courses, or you can write an ebook and self-publish it through Amazon. These are some really great ways, especially if you already have some type of audience. So if you are a blogger, if you have a big Instagram following, this is a great way for you to kind of harness those followers and sell something to them that they might really appreciate. Now my last option is ClickWorker. Now ClickWorker is an online platform that offers lots of different types of jobs. Most of these will be admin based, so you can do them on your laptop at home, but the main thing is that you have to do them quickly. People who are putting jobs up there want that work done within the next few days, that you keep an eye on it. It might be a website that you have in the background of your laptop when you're doing other work, and when there's jobs that come up that you like the look of, you can go and apply for them. So those are my 10 ways that you can earn extra money online for your travels. I would definitely recommend just trying some of them out. They might not all be for you, but sign up to some of those websites and see how easy they are, and if it's something you're interested in. I know myself, I love user testing. I do it all the time. I learned how to do this when I was at university to earn some extra cash, because you get paid like $10 to $20 every time you spend like 5 minutes doing a survey. I would recommend signing up to some of those websites and seeing which ones you like the look of, and just kind of go with it. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful day. Enjoy your travels, enjoy earning extra money online, and until next time, stay creative. Bye.